If you regularly delete your iPhone messages, including iMessages, to free up storage space, hopefully you never delete a conversation that's important to you. But in the case you accidentally deleted iMessages, how do you get them back? The information inside it, like photos, documents, and attachments, are unfortunately gone. Well, with a little luck and the tips in this video, you will know how to recover deleted iMessages. Alright, 4 methods are covered. You can pull anything back with iCloud or iTunes backup. You can also use iOS data recovery from AppGeeker to selectively recover just the iMessages you want without restoring your phone to factory settings. The first one is to retrieve from your iCloud backup. If your iPhone is set to backup to iCloud, you may be able to get iMessages back from a recent backup by erasing your phone to its factory condition. Beware that the backup have to be made before the time when you lost the iMessages. For example, if it took place 2 days ago and was deleted just now, then you need to use a backup that was made 2 days ago or before that, to the point when you still had the deleted conversation. If you're fine with erase, use these steps to restore from an iCloud backup. Now, grab your phone, go to Settings, tap General and select Transfer or Reset. Then tap Erase all content and settings at the bottom, tap Continue, enter your passcode, and then tap Erase Now to confirm your decision. Wait for the process to finish. When your phone reboots, follow the on-screen directions to set up your phone until you get to Apps and Data screen. Now choose Restore from iCloud Backup and sign into your iCloud account to access your backups. Choose the backup that contains the iMessages you've deleted accidentally. The process begins and your iMessages should be back. The second method is to download from iCloud. This only works in certain territories and phone carriers, and works only if you turn the messages syncing feature. To check if it's working for you, log into iCloud.com using your Apple ID, click on Text Messages, and you should find the ones you need. If you don't see this option, iCloud doesn't back up your messages. You need to jump ahead to the next method. Now go back to your device and open Settings. Tap your profile and choose iCloud. Locate Messages option and toggle off it. In the prompt window that appears, choose Disabled and download Messages. Wait for a while and toggle back on Messages to download iMessages right to your iPhone from iCloud. Go back to Messages app and check whether they reappeared there. Now let's come to the third method. Maybe you can't find anything in your backups. Here we use iOS data recovery software from AppGeeker. Not only can it check whether iCloud backs up your iMessages you're trying to get back, but it's able to pull them out of your iPhone's memory without affecting any data on the device, so this might be useful if you don't have a backup. But before we dive into the guide, it's important to stop using your phone once you realize the loss. Since you continue to use it, the lost iMessages will be overwritten by any other data. Then you will have little chance of recovery. Alright, go ahead and recover iMessages. First, find the download link of iOS Data Recovery, click to download and install it on your computer. Open it, and choose Recover from iOS Device from left menu. Then connect your phone to the computer with USB cable. Once it's recognized, click Start Scan button to fire up a free scan. Wait for the scan to complete. Once it's done, check if the deleted iMessages you need back are found. Click Messages category in the left column, and you can now preview all deleted and existing data on the screen. Click on any one should you see the conversations, photos, and attachments on the right pane. Once you find anything that you want, maybe it's been deleted days ago, months ago, or even years ago, simply select them by clicking the tiny checkbox. Finally, click Recover button to begin the process. That's it, and all data currently on your phone are intact. If you have a backup of your device on computer, You can also use iOS Data Recovery tool to scan your iTunes backup and retrieve just the conversation you want. It's easy, you just choose Recover from iTunes Backup in the main interface of the software, choose a most recent backup you want to restore iMessages from, and click Start button to scan the backup. When that's done, pick the ones you want and click Recover button. Now check the recovered conversations in the exported document on your computer. If you would like to use iTunes to restore your phone, now we'll show you how. Open iTunes or Finder. Connect your device to your computer, then locate it in iTunes window. Next, hit Restore Backup button. On the window that prompts, pick a relevant backup that holds all of your iMessages that you have deleted and click Restore button to get them back to your iPhone. Note that your phone will be reverted to a point and the backup was made, so any data added after the backup should be overwritten. Okay, that's all for how to recover iMessages on iPhone, without a backup or with it. Hopefully you old deleted iMessages as well as important information come back. Please hit a like if this is helpful for you, and subscribe to AppGeeker channel to get more iOS tips. See you in the next video.